I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for maths. First, focus on truly understanding the fundamental concepts. Don't just memorize formulas, grasp the why behind them. If you find yourself struggling, take time to review earlier topics to ensure your foundation is solid. Active participation in class, asking questions, and engaging with the material will significantly deepen your understanding. This approach builds a strong base for more complex problems. Consistent practice is absolutely crucial for success in maths. Make it a habit to solve a variety of problems every day, not just when an exam is looming. When tackling new problems, work through example solutions step by step to internalize the process. Most importantly, don't shy away from your mistakes. Instead, analyze them to understand where you went wrong. This active learning process helps you grow and improve. There are many excellent resources available to help you excel in maths. Utilize your textbooks, explore online tutorials, and work through practice papers to expose yourself to different problem types. Consider forming study groups with classmates. Discussing challenging problems together can offer new perspectives. A powerful technique is to teach concepts to someone else, even if it's just explaining it out loud to yourself. This truly solidifies your understanding. When exam time approaches, effective preparation is essential. Create a realistic study schedule and commit to it, allocating specific time slots for different topics. Practice with timed mock tests to simulate exam conditions, which helps improve your speed and accuracy under pressure. Remember to take care of your well-being too. Staying hydrated is important for focus. Check the description for a link to a great water bottle and other helpful deals to support your studies. Good luck with your maths journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.